Hello, Laura. Welcome to our conference. Thank you for your very insightful presentation. We have already invited participants to take the opportunity and to address the question that arose during the presentation. Vabljeni še enkrat, da postavite vprašanja za predavateljico v chat. Renata, a imamo že kakšno zanimivo vprašanje?
Zaenkrat še ne. Še kakšno minutko bomo počakali, da naši udeleženci zberejo misli in postavijo vprašanja. Medtem pa morda jaz postavim Lauri eno vprašanje, mi smo bili že radovedni. Katere podporne storitve oziroma funkcije mreže SYKU sodelujoče občine ocenjujejo kot najbolj dragocene?
So, Laura, if I may translate, what Renata is asking is, what are the services or functions of the SYKU network that participating municipalities value most?
Okay, yes, thank you for this question. There is no particular single factor that we would appear in all of those municipalities. So different municipalities value a bit different things, but maybe most of the municipalities feel that the peer support from other municipalities is very important. So they are brought together twice a year in our large events. They contact their neighboring SYKU municipalities and they get to hear from the experiences of the others in the network. Then also many municipalities kind of value the image support, so they get this communicational support while they are part of this network, and they can build their brand image through this network.
Thank you very much, Laura. We have one feedback from our, slovensko bom govorila, imamo en odziv od naših slušateljev, in sicer čestitke predavateljici za predstavitev in mnenje, da je bilo zelo poučno in pomembno tudi za Slovenijo. Hvala lepa.
So one of the participants is thanking you for your presentation. That was very valuable and informative. Basically, that's it.
Okay, thanks a lot.
And now zdaj pa imamo že vprašanje od udeležencev našega dogodka, in sicer Gaja Brecelj sprašuje, kakšna naj bi bila najboljša podpora odločevalcev na nacionalni ravni, vlada na primer in parlament, kakšno podporo torej občine najbolj potrebujejo od odločevalcev na nacionalni ravni.
So the next question is regarding the support to municipalities coming from the government and other decision makers, basically how top-level decision makers could support municipalities.
Okay, that's not so straightforward question, or the answer is not so straightforward. Probably the municipalities would like to see more support, like perhaps economical support. Yes, I don't have a clear answer to this, but there are processes going on where we are building our new climate act, and that's currently being reformed, and probably that one would also include some obligations for the municipalities. So I don't know whether this is good or bad from the side of the municipalities, but that would bring some structure to the work at least.
Thank you, Laura. Imamo še eno vprašanje. In sicer Marjeta Benčina sprašuje, če bi bile finske občine pripravljene svetovati tudi slovenskim občinam, peer-to-peer.
So the next question for Laura is whether Finnish municipalities would be willing to advise also Slovenian municipalities, sort of a peer-to-peer cooperation.
I can't really answer on behalf of those municipalities, but I know that many municipalities are taking part of already some international networks and kind of grabbing good examples from abroad and from those networks. Often the problem is that the resources are scarce regarding the personnel and time what the municipalities have. So even they are in part of the HINKU network, they might not always have even the time for that. But there are a few very active municipalities that are interested in kind of in this kind of activity. That's my feeling, that there might be some opportunities for this kind of action.
Andrej, če lahko prevedeš?
Ja, torej številne občine že sedaj težko izpolnjujejo svoje obveznosti, vendar pa določene bi bile zainteresirane sigurno za takšno sodelovanje. Mogoče tudi, če še prejšnji odgovor prevedem glede tega, kaj posamezne občine cenijo, gre bolj ali manj za različne zadeve, vendar pa je, kot kar je tudi bilo že naše vprašanje, predvsem cenijo to podporo medsebojno podporo med občinami, se pravi sodelovanje, in se pogosto tudi obrnejo, kontaktirajo ostale občine in povprašajo po njihovih izkušnjah, in tukaj prihaja do neke izmenjave znanj. Glede same podpore strani vlade ali odločevalcev pa je najpomembneje, po mnenju Laure, predvsem so tukaj seveda finančna podpora, v procesu oziroma v teku pa je ravno tudi priprava oziroma reforma podnebnega zakona, ki bo verjetno vključeval tudi določene obveznosti za občine. Laura pa pravi, da ni prepričana, ali je to dobro ali slabo za občine. Toliko.
Hvala lepa, Andrej. Imamo še eno vprašanje od Nine Plevnik, in sicer sprašuje, ali so občine, ki so vključene v HINKU mrežo, bolj ambiciozne, motivirane pri pridobivanju sredstev za spoprijemanje s podnebnimi spremembami v primerjavi z drugimi finskimi občinami?
So, Laura, the next question is, do you feel or think that the municipalities that are included in the network, are they more ambitious and motivated to gain EU or national funding for mitigating climate change in comparison to other municipalities that are not part of the network?
Okay. I can't say on behalf of other municipalities, but I think that at least some HINKU municipalities, they are motivated to apply for this kind of EU development funds and so on, and they have been doing so. So this has already happened. Of course, we have some other kind of forerunner municipalities, such as our capital and a few others that are not part of HINKU and are very active. But I think that regarding the very small municipalities, this might be true. Yes, but some municipalities find their resources so scarce that they don't even have time for applying any new funding. So there are two kinds of municipalities, even among the HYKU network.
Andrej?
Ja, thank you, Laura. Torej, Lara pravi, da za ostale občine težko oceni, vendar pa vsaj nekatere občine v mreži HYKU vsekakor so motivirane za pridobivanje sredstev. Tukaj se nekako potem tudi deli na tiste, ki so bolj progresivne ali aktivne občine, kot je na primer prestolnica. Predvsem pa je verjetno ta interes večji pri predvsem manjših občinah, vendar pa se tu pojavi težava omejenosti virov, se pravi preprosto kadra in ostalih resursov za pripravo prijav za ta sredstva.
Še eno vprašanje imamo, in sicer Anton Pogačnik sprašuje, kako je s financiranjem podnebnega ukrepanja na občinski ravni na Finskem?
So the next question is regarding financing of climate action on local level. How is that arranged in Finland?
I don't know the whole picture, but what I know, it's kind of most of the actions are financed with the budget of the municipalities themselves. So like in the HYKU municipalities, some municipalities have allocated this certain kind of annual amount that they can conduct these activities, and they kind of budget, or that would be ideal that they would budget before some finances for this climate work. And there are some subsidies and so on for the targeted also to these different kinds of investments of citizens or for different actors, but yeah.
Torej, Laura pravi, da celotne slike sicer ne pozna, vendar pa je pogosto večina ukrepov financirana skozi občinske proračune. V HYKU občinah so na primer nekatere občine rezervirale določeno količino sredstev za izvedbo teh ukrepov, oziroma bi bilo zaželjeno, da bi to storile. Na voljo pa so tudi seveda subvencije za različne naložbe občanov oziroma ostalih deležnikov.
And I could still continue that many of those HYKU municipalities also feel that their financial resources for climate action are scarce. So that's kind of one barrier. But in the network, we also try to inform the municipalities on most cost-effective actions. So that would also be in the long run beneficial for those municipalities to make these different kinds of investments.
Hvala lepa. S tem smo izčrpali vprašanja za Lauro. Hvala vsem, ki ste jih postavili. Hvala, Lauri, za odgovore.
So, thank you, Laura, for your cooperation. These are all the questions that we have received.
Okay. Thank you, and thanks for inviting. And we will stay in contact. Yes.
Laura, thank you again, and all the best to Finland.
Okay, yes, thanks.